Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily use the bag or inventory in Darkest Days. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch open the Darkest Days game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the bag icon on the left hand side corner. Inside the bag, you'll be able to see different items that you've collected. Select an item to view its details and available options. For weapons or equipments, tap on the weapon or equipment and then click on Equip at the bottom of the screen. After you do that, you'll be able to equipments or weapons. For healing equipments, for healing or usable items, select the item from your list and click on Use from the bottom. When you're finished managing your items, you can close the bag and return to the game. So from there, you can easily use your bag or inventory in Darkest Days. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.